Okay, let's take a look at this one. Had some trouble making up an example of this. It says, how many different ways can letters of the word derby be unique or be arranged by themselves so each arrangement is unique? And I think the example in the homework is New York with a space. Doesn't matter space. You ignore the space if there is a space on this type of problem. Derby. Kept trying to think of city names that don't have any repeated letters. So I went with a shorter town name. Now, what's unique about this? It's permutation, and you see there's no repeated letters. If there's no repeated letters, then there's 5 letters, so we're going to have 5 factorial. So equals fact 5. That's 120. You could also do a permutation of 5 letters, pick 5. So over here, permut, short for permutation, 5 choose 5. And that'll give you 120. I think the factorial is easier on that, but that's when you're going to use all the letters and none of them are repeated. So if I picked up another example, none of these letters are repeated, so perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This would be 6 factorial, which is 720, or you have 6, pick 6. And just to show that in Excel, permutation, permut, 6 choose 6.